Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 25620. This is a box of 100 1.25" aluminum tags in a black finish. It's a bag in a box. So Lucky Line manufactures key tags in different base materials such as paper and plastic and aluminum like this and brass. Aluminum and brass are used because you're going to engrave, well, you might engrave them. That's certainly very possible. There's an engraving system that we can assist you with. I'm sure Lucky Line can probably do engraving as well. But you're probably going to stamp them with a stamp set. It's probably what will happen. Tags like this are meant for more durable identification of keys than something plastic or paper. This is in a black finish. I would imagine that it's anodized. They have it at 1.25" diameter. That is indeed the case, 1.25". And this part number specifically refers to a bag of 100 pieces that are going to be inside this box. Now, the information below this video tells us that they are 1.25", made of aluminum. Tells us that they are 0.06 thick, so basically a 1/16 of an inch. The caliper says they're 0.051. 0.051 is what my caliper just told me. 0.52. Okay. A single hole with a single color. Let's give you the size of that ID as well on that hole for your, most likely your key tag. The ID of that hole, 0.245. 0.245 is the ID of that hole. Now there is some product info, one hole color-coded tags. Aluminum or brass, of course, are appropriate for interior or exterior applications. Can be stamped or engraved. Perfect for pet collars, facility management, ID near water outlets. There's a link below this video to a document called, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Lucky Line products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Now that full product catalog is handy because it will allow you to, for instance, search for these tags and find where they're located. If you search by the root of the part number, like 256, you'll find the table by which these aluminum tags are listed for their part numbers, which refers to the quantity that they're sold and the packaging that they're available in, along with the different colors as well. So the 25620, the 20, tells us that they're black according to the color chart there. 20 for black, 30 for blue, 40 for green, 65 for purple, 70 for red, 93 for silver aluminum in the one hole 1.25" colors. You can see how the part number changes as the packaging changes. You can get 5 carded in assorted colors in a package, in a retail pack. You can buy them 100 in a display box. You can buy them the way that the client in the industrial pack ordered them, the 256 plus the color number. So 25640 would be the same thing, just green color. High volume product would be available there as well. So depending on the quantity and how you want them packaged, this wouldn't really be appropriate for a retail location in a lock shop. You're probably going to want to have, a carded scenario. And it does look like 5 cards in assorted colors are the only way that they sell those. The quantity of holes can be altered as well. You can get the 25620 would be the same tag but with 2 holes, should you need 2 holes that are listed there. And then of course the part number changes as the size of the tag changes as well. Now that link to the product catalog is handy because you'll be able to review all things key management hardware from Lucky Line, whose name is synonymous with that material, whether it be key tags made of the different materials or key rings, the small giveaway style key rings all the way up to the large pull apart jailer style key rings, and they do a bunch of novelty items like spring style wrist coils and lanyards, and they can do indeed custom printing on many items. They also can sell you their twisty style key rings, which are nylon coated aircraft cable that can be locked into position or then crimped for permanent closure, something that they get into as well. The catalog is a very handy resource, certainly if you have more than an occasional need for key management hardware. If there are any questions on the Lucky Line 25620 box of 100 black single hole aluminum key tags or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.